Hi, this is your captain speaking, aka Jay Noman, and welcome back to the Dragan channel. Today, I'm not going to teach you. I have a very, very special guest who's going to teach me how to rodeo. For those who do not know, this is Mr. Dan Coleman. Coach Coleman. Yo. Back in the day, Frontal Boarding Industries. What did you used to build?
Oh, bindings. Lots of sewing. I'm a seamstress. Part-time.
And what do you build now?
I'm still building bindings, actually, for you guys.
The good things don't change.
They don't change at all.
So,
we never grow up.
How am I going to learn my first rodeo? What's the first step?
First step is we're going to take you down over here onto the tramps.
Yeah.
Start up. I'm going to show you the exact feeling of what it should feel like to do the rodeo on a block.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to the tramps, do a couple of flips, see where we're at, maybe flip into pit, see how good you do, and then we'll put you on the board and go hit the airbag.
Sounds good, man. I'm kind of hungry. Should I eat first?
I would recommend no.
No? Okay, cool.
I don't want to clean it up on the mat.
Okay, sweet. Damn. Okay. So, for those who don't know, I normally ride street. I ride flat banks. I don't ride transition. I grew up in London. We didn't have any kind of parks there. I've always wanted to do a rodeo. Let's see if I can get one with Dan's help.
We're going to make it happen. It's going to do it.
Coach Coleman, let's go. So, just to let you know where we are, this place is pretty sick. We're here at Woodward, Park City, Utah. Dan works here as a coach, and let's see how good his teaching really is.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do it kind of backwards. I'm actually riding goofy this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll chest up, roll my shoulders over the block, and I'm going to look at the wall in front of me until my knees block the view. I'm going to grab. Once my knees block the view, then I roll all the way through until I land switch. Does that make sense?
Oh, we're going that way? Yeah.
So you're using this as just a design of how to fill.
Okay.
Not the direction we're going to go.
Not the direction.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you're going, the speed will take you the forward. We just want the feeling of the roll.
So I'm learning how it's going to feel in the air and the direction I've got to flip, rather than the direction I've got to travel.
Exactly.
Okay. So you
right
can touch
forward.
me. It's okay.
No, I will. I have no problem touching you.
It's been a long time.
So looking forward, right? And you want to go bend your legs, chest up, open your right shoulder. Looking here, head forward. You got head up. And then as soon as your knees block the view, you drop this left foot in front, left foot in front, left foot. Like that.
Okay.
That's where that 540 comes in.
Okay, because I'm confused which direction I'm going. Let's give it another go.
Still going that way.
So I'm going this way, but I'm flipping that way.
Yep.
Okay.
So be a little quicker with your left foot. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna do it again really fast, all the way through as quick as you can. Just like that.
Feels good.
Feel good?
My knee don't feel so good, but that's nothing to do with the rodeo. That's to do with my age. Where are we going? So
now
what's next?
Now we're going to go hit some trampolines and see if you want to go upside down.
Let's give it a go.
So first thing we're going to do a couple of backdrops. So you're going to face this way on the trampoline, going backwards. And you're going to jump and land on your back like a dead bug with your arms and legs up in the air. So it's going to be just like this. When you go, you really got to go. Okay. It's not 1, 2, little baby jump.
I've got to.
You got to go
for it.
Yep.
Okay.
And I want you to think up and fall. That's good. Let's do it one more. Good. Perfect. Okay, you ready for the next one? Let's go. So now we're going to do that same thing we did off the block. Remember, we're riding this way.
Yeah.
Jump in. And on 3, I'm going big. And landing, looking at that wall. Twist.
Okay. So, and where do I land? Am I facing that wall?
Land head here, butt here, looking at me.
Okay.
Got it. Yes. Good. Yeah. So then you would go, when it's in the air, then you just turn that last 180, drop that left foot down.
Stomp the landing every time.
That's looking good.
Yeah?
It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Well, we might as well just do it.
Just go
I
for
want
it
it
all?
to be natural, man. Like, we've known each other for years.
That's true. We know way too many stories about each other.
The Jay and Dan Show, coming to a TV near you soon.
Trouble.
I know, but the one thing I like about foam pits, it feels like my other passion, swimming.
Sweet, bro. That was a good one. That was
Nice
awesome.
one.
I like it. I think you're ready.
Ready for what?
Let's go to the big boys jump. Throw on a board, and we're going to go to the airbag.
The airbag?
Yeah.
That sounds all right. Let's give it a go there.
Okay, let's do it.
So, Dan,
All right, buddy.
I've done a couple of straight airs, a couple of 540s.
And they've looked good. Hit the jump perfectly. I think you're ready. How do you feel for it?
I feel good now. Nas has one famous lyric, and it's called "Tuck your chain in and put your watch in your pocket." Do you think that's a wise lyric?
Whatever works for you.
Cool, let's go for it. What should I remember when I'm going for my first rodeo?
First rodeo is the first one is going to suck. It is not probably going to go the way you want it to go, but that's why we have the airbag. So, good. Think of your dead bug, riding up, dead bug, shoulders, chest, feet up, late 180. What happens a lot is people let their feet fling, like the banana peel style we talked about. Let the chest happen, just chest up and flip. And then I'll talk about some other things after that.
Cool,
Let's do it.
let's do it. Sweet, first rodeo. Jay! Jay!
Hey, that was great.
That felt better.
That's good. Yeah, we can still. You just need to break it down a little bit. Slow it down. You're letting your feet fling.
Yeah.
You're letting the wheels flip you too much.
Okay.
More chest, and if you know the words of Mr. Gunderson,
What was that?
I don't remember. It was 10 years ago. It was 20 years ago.
I can't even remember what you said yesterday, man.
Yeah. Right.
Cool. So, Coach Coach Coleman, that one felt good.
That was great. But let's remember, we've only done, 3 of them? So it takes numbers, it takes your practice. Find a good place you can do it, a safe place on a mat. Chucking them onto the ground or onto a hard surface is not the best idea. So you can land like 20 of these solid. Then we take it to foam. Then we have our resi here. We have tons of progressions to make this a perfect trick to land anywhere.
Perfect. So, those are the first steps you need to start to learn how to rodeo. I'm going to go practice a while, and then maybe further down the line, you'll see me stomp it on the hard stuff. But I want to say a big thank you
Thanks,
to Coach
buddy.
Coleman.
Great to see you again. I'm glad I got to teach you something.
Man, I come out of this trip learning something that's all good, and not just about myself, but about the sport. That's perfect. Do you think Sergi Nicholas was going to let me go home just doing it on the airbag? Hell no. Coach Coleman is the best. Thank you. And that's How to Rodeo by Coach Coleman. Don't forget to subscribe. If you've got any other tips of how to rodeo, put them in the comments below. Until next time, Dragan out.